you start taking care of yourself. You start feeling better, you start looking better, and you start to attract better things in life. It all starts with you.
I hope him I go up the back, you know. I hope him going back up there. This is how we clean them eyeglass, eye-rise windows in Jamaica, yeah. I hope him go back up there. Oh, seen there again, Spider-Man. Jamaican Spider-Man. Oh shit, there goes another one on the other side. It's a real Jamaican Spider-Man. Huh. This is how he clean high-rise windows in Jamaica, my people. That is really, really skillful. Done. Jano Star. Kingston, Jamaica, baby. We are in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you? Where are you? No, we're no better than yard. Oh. And we are in the heartbeat of the city, Kingston, Jamaica, looking at the Jamaican Spider-Man. Yeah. Oh. And look like it's a team of them, you know, people. Look on the side now. Look on there, sir. Gone behind the wall. Yeah, man. Kingston, Jamaica, my people, at this time, we're under the clock. 18th of September, October, 18th of October, 2025. Stepping into 2026. Yeah? And remember, at 2040, the whole of this are gonna look different. It's gonna be a different look on this. Hear that? Mark it down. 10. These are documentary. Yeah. Yeah, man, we're looking at the Spider-Man, you know. Cleaning them high-rise window, you know. Yeah. You know where they on the clock, you know. Yeah. And I just saw the thing set, you know. hear me, people? We're there. It's up on the side there, you know. On the clock. I am in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you? Huh. So let me get myself in the picture. Right now, nowhere in the world no better than yard. Nowhere at all. I don't care where one want to say.
I'll take you down tomorrow and spray W40.
I wish you all the best, all the success, all the prosperity, all the guidance, all the protection out there in the world. But I am in Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston, Jamaica, I'm there on the clock. You understand? Where are you? I am in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you? Hi. I am in Jamaica making a movie, Heartbeat of the City. Where are you? What are you doing? Ah. Bright with the sunshine. And we got a freedom that is kind. See me? Yeah. Which is a friend of mine. Battle of the sex. Battle of the sexes, yeah. Battle of the sex. Battle of the sex. Hey! Battle of the sexes, yeah. Battle of the sex. Imagine fighting a battle of wood and I've come face another one woman. How you feel? Tell me how you feel. It's like the world turn upside down. No more loving, I go on that done. How you feel? Tell me how you feel. Battle against the sexes. Battle against the sex in relationship like these. We all familiar with these. Warring all the housing, Satan warring all the housing against the families. We all familiar with these. Open up on the ears and listen to what the babbler say. It's a war against the sexes in these modern days. The woman them want them freedom, them a fight for liberty. Equal rights and justice, them want more than equality. Battle against the sexes, battle against the sex in relationship like these. We all familiar with these. Warring all the housing, Satan warring all the houses against the families.
We are all familiar with these. Wanna try for the right thing, the other wanna fight back. Be cussing and quarreling, everybody a chat hot. Now the hurtful words start sling, and them can't take them back. If this thing continues, somebody heart going to pop. So many broken hearted people living a life of lies, saying to themselves, might as well give it a try. Buckle against the sexes, buckle against the sexes. Relationship like these, we are all familiar with these. Why? Everybody need assistance nowadays. When I'm looking at the world and see where I go on, be a chaos, man, I be a trouble. Everybody need assistance. Assistance, yeah. We all need assistance, yeah. Everybody need assistance. We all need assistance. Assistance. Ooh, yeah. Everybody need assistance, love. All need assistance, yeah. Me said I went to the supermarket just the other day when I need some assistance in return policy. Point of sale, yes, POS, yes. And then I heard the cashier say, Miss Sutherland, please come quick. Assistance. Ooh, yeah. Everybody need assistance, love. We all need assistance, yeah. And so she called for the manager, come right away. Please, Miss Sutherland, please come and help me. Assistance. Whoa, yeah. Everybody need assistance, Lord. We all need assistance, yeah. Our sister is an assistance. Whoa, yeah. And the brothers an assistance too. We all have assistance, yeah. The elders have assistance. The young youth have assistance. Can't we all just forget our differences and get along? For if a plague or an epidemic should hit the land, then we all in a diverse situation.